ended up looking at one and I was like, I said, she had a little bit of white on the inside or there. Just, and then Joe
Say hi.
said, he said they want to hear about that. Yeah. That allergy season starts crap. Especially as bad as it's pollen and stuff like that. That's what Mom was saying. How Bob was always saying that.
You ready to go night night?
Everything.
No.